Had a little bit too much of Hennessy. Just gonna tell you how I feel.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways that you can do some simple messy buns. These require no heat and they are super easy, super simple, and they take no time at all, like 3 minutes at the most. And they are perfect for if you are running late in the mornings. Before we continue on with this video, I just wanted to thank you guys so much for all the support that you've been giving me. My channel has been growing so much because of you guys, and my school morning routine has like 45,000 views. Like, that is crazy, you guys. Like, oh my gosh, I can't believe it. But I just wanted to thank you guys all for all the support and all the love that you've been giving me. I appreciate it more than anything, and this is becoming like a dream come true to me. My channels are slowly growing and it is awesome. It makes me so happy. I cannot express that to you guys, so thank you so much. Before we continue on with the rest of this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel down below so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Also, if you haven't already, you can turn on my post notifications by clicking the little bell right next to the subscribe button, and comment down below if you do so, and you will have the chance to be featured in my next video. I don't think there's much else for me to say, so without further ado, let's get started. So for this first messy bun, I'm just going to be starting off by teasing like the crown of my hair, actually like the whole top of my head. This is optional, this just gives it more volume, so I really think you guys should do this because it will definitely give it more volume to your hair. Next, you are just going to want to gather all of your hair and put it where you would like the bun to sit on your head. I put mine towards the top of my head, but then you are just going to put it in like a normal ponytail. But before you put it all the way through on the last one, make sure you stop halfway. Then you are just going to twirl the remaining piece that is left out of the ponytail and wrap it around the ponytail itself, and take a bobby pin and just pin it in place. Then I am going to take 2 more bobby pins and pin them to the sides of the bun to hold my hair in place. I am using first day hair for these buns, but second day hair works better. If you don't have second day hair, you can also use some texturizing spray to hold it together. It'll hold the bun together better. But then once you're done, just pull out all the wispies, and I just like to loosen it up a little bit. Now for this next bun, you're just going to want to flip your head over and start twisting the whole ponytail, and then you're just going to wrap it around itself and then use your hair tie to hold it in place. Then I just pull on it to loosen it up a little bit, and then I just pin it in place and pull out all the wispies once again. So yeah, that was it for the second bun. It's super cute, super easy. This is probably my favorite technique. Now for this last one, you're just going to want to gather all of the hair to where you want the bun to sit on your head. I put it to the side this time, and then I just put it in a ponytail like normal. And then I take a teasing comb and tease up the whole entire ponytail. You got to give some volume. This is a really fluffy bun. It's a fluffy look. But after that, I just gather all the hair and then wrap the ponytail around the bun. And that is it. It's super easy. And then once again, I obviously pull all the wispies, loosen it up a little bit. And that is it for the last bun. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did like it, be sure to give this video a big huge thumbs up. Also, comment down below some video requests that you want me to do, and I will try to do them for you guys, and I'd be more than happy to. Also, don't forget to check out my social medias, including my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Spotify, those little goodies. They will be linked down below, so go give them a follow, go check it out. But yeah, that is it. I will see you guys next time. Bye!